Hi guys, Postman's bin. I've stopped recording most of these Postbag videos because they're sort of getting a bit similar. I'm just ordering stock to refill what I've already got. But this is something different and I'm actually quite annoyed that I bought it. I paid £12.49 for it and I don't need it. What was happening was my 3D printer, the filament was sticking to the print bed. It's only happened recently and it started sticking so hard that I'm having to remove the cover of the print bed and bend it to actually release the filament, which is not good. So I looked around and decided to go and get myself a glass print bed, which lots of people recommended. But in the meantime, while I've been waiting for that to arrive, I started using Pritt Stick. It's one of those wipe-on sort of glue sticks. And that's cured my problem. And I already had the Pritt Stick, I didn't need it. In fact, I've ordered some purple stuff that people recommend. But the stuff that I've got already is working absolutely fine. So I don't need this and I don't need the glue sticks that I've ordered. But we'll open it up and see if it's in good condition. Looks more like a pizza delivery. Genuine Creality. Well, it's well packaged, I'll give them that. Okay, it says something about being self-adhesive. I think they mean that the coating on top of it, the 3D filament will stick to it well. I don't think they actually mean that that's not sticky. So there we are, I have finally gone and got myself a glass print bed for my 3D printer, but I'm annoyed because I really don't need it. I like the one that's on there. I'm not quite sure what it's made of, but you can lift it off. It's got clips around the edges. You can lift it off, and if you've got stuff that's really stuck, you can actually bend it so that it releases the whatever it is you've printed. But I expect I'll go and stick this on there and see if it works at some time. In fact, I don't think I'll do it at the moment. I think I'll just leave that nicely packaged. Up in my workroom, and if I need it, I'll use it. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.